Hey guys, another day in the garage, or a new day in the garage. And today we're about to re-glue used side liners for my Peugeot 305. Yeah, because I guess with one of the former owners, it might have a slight accident on the right side of the car, and so therefore I bought new. No, not new. I bought used side liners for the car, and we will glue them to the car now. So let's get to it. I'll show you. Oh, my fam is arriving over there. My wife, she's gonna help me. Okay, here you see. In the rear, we already have the side liner. It was in the trunk. It came with the car. The whole side of the car has been repainted. Okay, the right side of the car, and we got these used side liners for the whole rest of the car. And I have some glue and some acetone here to clear the parts and the places where it has to get onto the car. And now we're gonna get to it. So let's do it. We take the acetone first and clear out the. I know we're gonna have a lot of traffic. We are living in the on the countryside, and we are having a lot of traffic. Very huge tractors driving by. It's springtime, and all of the farmers are on the fields and doing their farmer stuff. I'm not a farmer, I don't know what they're doing, but the tractors are really huge. So acetone, who doesn't like the smell, a fresh smell of acetone? So this is what I do first here. Clear out the spots where it goes. Shoop, that's it. And the parts, clear off a little bit of the old glue here. That's it. One. So and two. It's a little bit dirtier than the other one. So this is it. Okay. Just this. I'm gonna clear it thoroughly. This is not enough here on that one. On the first, if you start in the front. Okay, here we go. So this is it. And for this, I always use, this is not advertisement, but I like the glue. I always use Patix. This is the rest of it. It's a German product from Henkel. And here you can see Patix Kraftkleber. I really like this product. And it's not easy to get it in France, but I called the company and in Germany, and they told me where to get it. Patix is based in Düsseldorf, in Germany. And Henkel, it's Henkel. And this is a product my grandfather also used to glue his shoes. Yes, very good for the shoes. And a little bit on the fender here. You need to apply it into thin layers, okay? 2 thin layers, one on the thing you want to glue, and one on the thing you want it to go to. on the fender or elsewhere. But you need two thin layers to put it onto. Here you go. One. That's enough if you apply it like that. I have done it on the rear one, and it works fantastic. It's very strong, very powerful glue. You don't need much. Okay, so yeah, now my wife is gonna pause the video, and we wait 10-15 minutes the most, and we both press it onto the fender after it. See you in a bit.
Hey honey,
Huh?
why don't you tell us a little bit more about the car, which
Have
is...
you paused the video?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, my wife. Okay. Okay, cool. I was just eliminating a little bit of dirt here. Okay. Yeah. Why not? Okay. Yeah, this is a Peugeot 305, as I said. This model was designed in the mid-70s. It's a more square model than the cars before. The car before was a 304, but the car has the same engine than the 304. And I will start with the front of the car, which is here, and the engine, of course. So I will open the compartment, the engine compartment now. Okay, that's a good idea. So we can take care of the meantime until the glue is dry. Okay, guys. So the hood arrests itself here with the hood arrest. You don't need to put out an arm or anything. That's a good invention. And yeah, that's the engine. It's all original. It's a 1.3 liter engine. It's mounted. It's mounted. What is it called when it's not in line? It's called. Oh, I don't know what it's called. Square? I think it's square. Yeah. Front wheel drive engine, and it's mounted like that. It has 60 horsepower. It's the smallest engine, and I bought the car last year, and in fact, no, I bought the car in 22, and I have it registered since this year, and yeah, it's a good car. It runs very strong. It has only 80,000 kilometers on it, and it has a véhicule collection registration. That means classic car registration. So you don't have to go you don't have to take the contrôle technique, the technical inspection every 2 years, only every 5 years. And the insurance, it's much cheaper if you have a first car. This is always a good car. So yeah, and let me get something out of the car, which is hopefully here. No, it's in the trunk. Anyways, so yeah, that's the engine. And there is of this car, there is a bigger version, the 604, the 604 Peugeot, which is the which is the full-size version, the big family sedan, and this is the smaller sedan. It has 4 doors, and it's a very nice car. I added the second rear view mirror, and yeah, it has mud flaps here in the front and the back. As I said before, the whole part has been resprayed, repainted not very, it's a good paint job, but not very detailed around the door handles and everything.
Aw.
Yeah, that's not,
That's
well,
sad.
that's the way it is, but nevertheless the paint is pretty much okay. So the interior, okay, the interior is a little used up, but besides the used interior, the car is very strong. It has no squeaks, no leaks, no engine oil leaks. The valve cover had a little leak, and I put a new valve cover seal in. But besides that, after I put new spark plugs, new spark wires. It runs amazing, really amazing. It runs really strong. It doesn't go that fast. It's about what it does, pretty much 65 miles per hour, I guess 65, which equals 100 kilometers, 110. It could do more, but it's only a 4-gear transmission, and it gets a little noisy. You see there's no insulation in the hood. There's just a little insulation here at the firewall, and therefore the engine is a little noisy. But it has a choke. Let's show you the interior. Come around. It's not possible to do in our narrow garage to open it, the whole thing. So, okay, here, check this out. This is the interior steering wheel and the odometer. And here's the choke. That's the light switch. Normally there's the indicator here on this side on other cars, but on French cars it's on the other side, the indicator here. And a turnkey, of course. Yeah, there's the stick shift. And well, that's about it. It has a very good, very decent headliner. Yeah, the headliner is it's in excellent condition, the headliner. All the headliner is in good condition. And everything works on the car. It's not much. There's no electronics in the car. It's all mechanical and electric, but no electronics, and that's what I like about all cars. You don't have to mess with anything. No fuel injection, no computer for the engine, and it doesn't have electric windows. You have to roll the windows, and which is my grandfather always used to say, if you don't have it, it can't break. Okay, so yeah, that's about it, and I really like the car. It was well maintained at one point, and I tried to keep it that way. I'm not very much of a polisher of a car. We're gonna give it a polish with a machine, with a polishing machine, so that it looks better than it does now. Oh yeah, and here you can see the sideliner, the original sideliner, how it is positioned on the car, and hopefully on the right hand side of the car, the passenger side, it will look like this too. And I will also exchange the rear light here. It's broken. That's the only thing that is broken here. The rear light is broken. But it's an easy find in the internet. Yeah, and I had to exchange the rear muffler. That's brand new, the rear muffler. Oh yeah, and let me show you the trunk. It's for that kind of car, it's really huge. It's a really huge trunk. Do I need the keys? No, I don't. Okay, come here please, honey. Yeah, that's the trunk. Yeah, I bought a pig axle for my son. When my second son was a kid, he's 22 now, he always wanted to have this. I don't know why, but he wanted to have it, and now I bought it on a flea market for him. He doesn't know yet. So yeah, it's everything there. Yeah, the jack stand, and that's it. Big trunk for a car like that. Okay. What I really like, it's a little detail. What I like about the car is that the early models of the Mark 1s, that's a Mark 1, phase 1, the French say phase 1. We say, what's the German word for it? There's no German, no first edition, probably in German. Erstausgabe, no, I don't know. There's no. The name tag, the brand, is in chrome. Here is written in chrome letters, put on the car. Okay, that's special only for the early models. That's the 78, and after in a 79 or 80 doesn't have that anymore. It's all in chrome here and here too. See. And that's very rare, and I really like that this is in chrome letters. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. I think that's about it. Is it 10 minutes the video now?
I should think so.
Yeah, you can see it on the track.
Yes.
Okay. So
More than 10.
we try to glue the sideliner now. Oh, I have the keys there with me. I put them back in the car. Hold on 1 second. And I will close the hood. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, one more little details. All the original markers are still here. You see, in 4 languages. There are the fuse box is here. See, fuse box. Go, fuse box. That's the dipstick for the oil. Well, that's the reservoir for the brake liquid. I've exchanged that too. Oh yeah, and I had to exchange the hoses. Oh, there's one more little detail. I don't know whether you can see it, but the belt for the fan turns around here. It's in an angle, a 90-degree angle here. That's the belt. Can you see it? Can you make it clear? Probably. Maybe we need to put the lights on here. Is it better now? That's the belt. And it goes on this wheel. It goes back here to the engine over there. Yeah, that's a rare thing. And you always need to have another belt with you in case it bursts. So yeah, let's close the hood.
Licht aus.
Let's close the hood and hold on for a second. Wait. Maintenant, now we're gonna finish to glue the side liners to the car here. Okay. Do the other one. Okay. Okay, dann musst du auch machen, weil sonst ist der Kleber nicht mehr.
Den kann ich nicht, man sieht ja nicht. So. Maintenant.
Here we go. 1. Do the other one.
You didn't show me how.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, then take this one. Press it against the fender. And the other one. Okay. There you go. That's it. Okay, it doesn't work properly here. I don't know why though. I have to redo it, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here we go. Cousteau. I don't like this one. I have to redo it. Okay.